So right now I don't get the fish. I have the brown rice to do for pick up. So right now I need to go to the food market and try to get some fruits. Right? I eat ice cream for the last 2 nights to make it fat again. So let's stop the ice cream. So I'm gonna go cross and get it. Yeah man, like what I said yesterday, boy. I saw it go. I out and I get my fruits and something. And then I go back inside. America, I don't like America. I used to stay one time, you know. What different thing, you know. Like back in the days, you know. When we just come back in the days, back in 92 them time there. Now what different time, man. America gone mad now. All kind of things out on the street. People need work. When they don't get work, they still make enough money to pay them bills. And it's just crazy up on the street. So that's how it is. Miss sweet Jamaica, but I can't work in Jamaica without no money. They got to have some kind of money. Some kind of something. You can't go back empty-handed. You know what I mean? You can't go back empty-handed at all. Alright, baby, big up yourself. So, now walk up the road now so we can get some fruits. We need to get some fruits. So let me walk up there now. Take it easy. You have to take it easy more time and big up yourself. Big man! Yo! Big up yourself, pick up yourself. You know, the other day I was waiting to see, I was like, what happened? I hope you're alright. Because I didn't know this is some guy get shot and I was running. I hope that wasn't you. Some guy in the corner, I don't know. Yes, I'm not sure. It's like I just hope it's not you. I hope to God it wasn't you. So thank God it's not you. But big up yourself, say hello. Big up yourself, all over the world, big up, cause by you. Alright, you too, this you see this for you too. See, I go see, I'm a little friend this, you know, good little youth this, see me? Don't know soldier, see it. So right now, I'm going to get some fruits. Because I've been eating ice cream for the 2 nights. And it's no good for me. I have mango here. $2 mango. And all kind of shit. $9 mango come cheap, you know. Boy. Not because I'm on camera, means to buy expensive mango. Hell no. What $1 mango them there? Baby. Where $1 mango? No $1 mango? No $1 mango today? $2.25? No, $2.55 for 2. And that's a $2 for 1. I want to walk over the other place and get no better one. You know $1 mango? No $1, right? Only $2. You don't feel like I want. Huh? I walk over the next place and see if it's no $1 mango. If not, I come back and buy a $2 one. Why not? After I not have money like that, I poor just like everybody else. If I go show off and go buy $2.50 mango or $2 mango, I'm going to try to get $1 mango first. So. Hi, baby. Yes, I'm out on the front page right now. I walk up the street right now. And post a wall, me not watch no face. Me not watch no blood clot face. Face me not watch out here, so. When I say from where the boss walk on, you coming out tomorrow? I'm working tomorrow. I didn't work for the last couple of days. You alright? Alright?
My cat, to take my cat to the hospital.
The cat got sick? She's okay now?
Can't go to the bathroom.
She's okay now?
Boy.
He's okay now?
No, I still have to take.
I'm sorry about your cat, man. I'm really sorry about your cat.
That cost me over $300 to pay them,
$300 to take care of the cat?
Yeah.
So you have the $300 now?
It's a good thing I had it.
It's a good thing you have the $300 to pay for your cat? Oh, God. Dan, so what they say? They give you medicine to fix the cat?
Medicine, yeah.
So he's okay now, so far? So. Well, after spending $300, I hope the cat not dead by you.
That's the whole thing.
I hope that's the whole thing. Listen, that's the whole thing. I hope the cat not dead after you don't spend the $300. Next you know the damn cat got dead by you. Then you have to spend money for the funeral. That's a lot of money. But me love the cats. Me love cats bad, so I understand. When me I come up, me check your ear. Yes, so I walk on the road. I know. Yes, sir. I'm still looking for the mango. And then I collect the rice and I go home. So right now I'm still a look, so I'm gonna try so we can get across with the road. Tomorrow I come out. Sometimes I come out here from Monday to Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Like the last time I work from Monday, I work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And my body gets so tired, and I say, I'm not do it no more. Me come out Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at least. You know what I mean? I give myself a little bit of break. No, so I not kill out myself. Because nothing for kill out fight now. People have not the money when they come sell sitting out here. Sometimes you barely make nothing back out of it. You barely make back like money out of it. So sometimes I want to kill out myself. Go and tight pussy girl, alright? You go one, boss? Nice, nice, alright? Yeah, so basically that's how that goes. So you can see the evening clear up early. That means nothing that too going out here. So I walk across the road now. And some of them $1 mango. We go across the